Hello and welcome to our top 10 interesting facts about Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is made up of 3 waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. Horseshoe Falls is located on the Canadian side and is the largest of the 3, while American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls are located on the American side. Niagara Falls is one of the most powerful waterfalls in the world, with an average flow rate of about 2,800 cubic meters per second. The falls were formed about 12,000 years ago during the last ice age. As the ice melted, it created a massive flow of water that eventually carved out the Niagara River and the falls. Niagara Falls is a popular tourist destination, with millions of visitors each year. In fact, it's the most visited natural attraction in the United States. The first person to successfully go over the falls in a barrel was a 63-year-old schoolteacher named Annie Edson Taylor. She made the journey in 1901 and survived the fall with only minor injuries. In 1969, a man named Carl Sosik successfully went over the falls in a barrel and survived. However, he died in 1984 while attempting to repeat the feat. In 1995, a man named Robert Overooker tried to go over the falls on a jet ski but was killed in the attempt. The falls are illuminated every night with colored lights, making them a popular destination for evening sightseeing. Niagara Falls is a popular spot for honeymoons and wedding proposals. In fact, it's estimated that around 50 marriage proposals happen at the falls every day. Thank you for watching our top 9 interesting facts about Niagara Falls video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more fun and informative videos.